Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, today we're going to be talking about the long-awaited CPI report, which is finally here. If you saw my video last night, I did some predictions on it. Now, as I predicted, it came in cooler than expected. Today, we'll break down the CPI data, dive into the markets, reactions, and cover some of the biggest financial stories of the day, including the Saudi Aramco's move into lithium. MicroStrategy continues to buy Bitcoin purchases. I think he actually didn't buy the top this time, so he did good. And updates on the crypto ETFs. Stick around for all the insights and the market updates you need. Okay, just a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. All right, let's get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at the CPI report. This was the big one that got released this morning. I went through the whole report and got some key factors on it. Okay, let's start the CPI. So the CPI rose 0.4 month over month, slightly above November's 0.3, and the year-over-year inflation rate came in at 2.9, just under expectations. Core CPI, which includes food and energy, increased by 0.2, below the anticipated 0.3. So 0.1 under, which is a bullish indicator for the market. Okay, as we all saw. So some of the key drivers in this report was energy prices. Energy was the biggest contributor, with gasoline prices surging 4.4%, marking their largest monthly increase, like I said yesterday, since March. However, the spike is largely seasonal and aligns with global and oil market trends. So not too much of unexpected news there. Short-term energy price increases often drive investors toward assets like Bitcoin and as a hedge, which is why we're seeing crypto markets rally. One of the reasons. Food prices. Food prices remained stable, providing a relief from the inflationary pressures. This indicates that supply chains improvements are starting to pay off. Yeah. Stable food prices are a positive sign that core inflation is stabilizing, which boosts investor confidence in both stocks and cryptos. The lower than expected core CPI gives the Federal Reserve more breathing room. It signals that their rate hikes are working without pushing the economy into like a recession. So a confident Fed is less likely to raise rates aggressively, which is great. It's great for risk assets. Some people were thinking that if this report came in a little hot, the Fed was going to start raising rates as early as this month. So now we were thinking about having 2 rate cuts this year with this report, and if we get a favorable one in the next release, you never know. Three cuts this year. After doing all the numbers and all, I think we're probably gonna have 3 at least. I'm thinking 3, which will be bullish for the markets. Okay. Now, how did the market react? Let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the market. Mhm. So, as we all saw, the um, the S&P 500 jumped like about 1.8%. Dow rose 1.7. The Nasdaq surged 2.5% as all the investors welcomed the cooler inflation data. It was great. The crypto markets. Let's look at the crypto. Mhm. see how Bitcoin reacted this morning um, to this. So we were at last night. We were trading all around the low mid 96, and it rallied up to, I think it touched a little bit over 100. Yep, 100 and 100,600. And Ethereum, Solana, the whole market rallied, honestly. Some major altcoins posting double-digit gains. Let's see. So we have Ethereum as of now up 5% in the last 24 hours. XRP, it's gone on a tear. It's only up 8%, but it was up 15% earlier. Solana got a nice bump. It's trading right at almost 203 now. The whole market, let's see, from the top 100s, Virtual's Protocol, yep, 27%. Fartcoin, I mean, for those who you guys are interested in that one, it's it's got a 1.2 billion market cap. Litecoin, and the biggest losers from the top 100 movement. And good thing that the USDC, it's stable. And Stellar, but they've been doing so great over just the last 30 days. BNB, I mean, it's been doing good. Jupiter, if you're into Jupiter, you got to know that they have opened up their airdrop checker already. So I'm gonna make a video actually discussing the Jupiter the airdrop checker to see to all those that are interested that use Jupiter. And I think this goes back to 2023. So if you did, go ahead and check your wallets. Okay. But now the the CPI report, that was it's a green light we've been waiting for. I mean, it's a well awaited green light. Cooling inflation, a strong stock rally, surging crypto prices, all point for a promising start in 2025. So we'll touch back on this in a bit, but let me go ahead and share some stories that I think might be of interest to you. Okay, so my first one. Okay, it's not exactly about stocks or crypto, but it definitely can play a big part in the markets. Okay, so the Israel and Hamas reach a ceasefire deal. So it's because you don't want geopolitical tensions. So they're easing with multi-phase ceasefire agreement between Israel and Hamas. The agreement pretty much aims to end all hostilities and facilitate the release of hostages starting Sunday. So definitely something to keep an eye on. The markets generally respond positively to reduce uh, political risk, which adds to today's bullish sentiments. Okay, let's move on to the different story. This is gonna be from the not this one. Uh, Okay, yeah. So more Bitcoin ETFs and crypto ETFs are coming. Okay. So basically, a pro crypto administration is increasing the likelihood of cryptocurrency ETFs coming in 2025 for them to be approved. Firms like Coinbase and BlackRock are poised to benefit from this, potentially giving massive inflows into the crypto market. So the Coinbase stock is a stock to keep your eyes on for sure. Okay, let's see. There's another story here that I wanted to share. Uh, yep, here we go. MicroStrategy, yeah, like I said earlier in my opening, um, MicroStrategy resume buying. Um, let's see, he buying more Bitcoin. He bought this last time bought 2,530 Bitcoins at an average price of 95,972. So he actually didn't buy the top this time, because it seems like he every time they announced that they bought, and he was buying the top. So 95, he was close to it. He missed the top by a little bit. But now he MicroStrategy holds a total of 158,000 BTCs, reinforcing their long-term bullish stance on Bitcoin. Okay, this shows that institutional faith in Bitcoin remains strong even during periods of market volatility. I mean, MicroStrategy moves often signals a green light for other large investors to follow suit. So, you know, it's good. Let's go back to the markets and see. Let me know in the comments any tokens that you guys are following or are interested in, how the your portfolios perform today. Um, must have been in green because the whole market was in green. Okay. I'm definitely taking a look at all the top 100 and some of the um, the top layer ones, how they're going to perform, especially like Solana and Sui. Sui's at 471. It's lagging just a tiny bit, but Sui is one of those tokens that it will, once it starts taking off, it's gonna pump. I mean, it starts hard and slows down, and once it's off to the races. So it can catch you by surprise. So just if Sui's one token that you're thinking about investing in or anything, I would start what I would do, dollar cost average, of course, and just definitely keep your eyes on the market on it. And um, if it's because you might wake up, it's at 471. You might wake up in the morning and this thing might be at 530, 520, or be over $5. So it's one of those, it moves fast. Mm. That's Sui. I know some are thinking about what it's a good one. Sui, Solana, XRP, but with a market cap of 14 billion, I mean, a 2x on Sui for it to reach $10 or approximately $10, it would just need not just, I mean, 30 million, 28, 29 billion. It's a large number, but compared to like a Solana, I mean, Solana can get 15 billion on top, and it might go, and that's only 10%. Your price 10% will be at 240 bucks. A 15 billion market cap on Sui, it'll be a 2x. We'll be at $10 in no time. So definitely Sui is one to watch. Okay. Let's go ahead and see how Bitcoin is moving tonight. I mean, it's been good. It's been good. See? It's been good. It's an overall good day today for for crypto and stocks. We're gonna drop in the comments. What is your prediction of the crypto markets or the stock market acting in the next couple of days going into the weekend? We got the big inauguration coming on Monday, so definitely there. I feel like there might be a little. Um, Somewhat of unsureness in the market. So tomorrow it's gonna be a telltale, I think, how they do. So I always keep a look at the futures. Let's see how the future are acting already today. take a look at these futures. And okay, so not bad, a little flat. The Dow, it's up $71, S&P 500 $7, the Nasdaq 20. It's still a little early, but I always follow the futures because it's a somewhat of a small good indication of how the market's going to open tomorrow, unless there's like some news released overnight. Okay, so last night I was looking at the futures right until and they were pretty much like up a little bit, but pretty much flat. They stayed around the same price all overnight until the release of the CPI this morning. Okay, so all right, guys, thanks for hanging in till the end. To wrap things up, let's see. Yep. All right. So today's CPI report was delivered exactly what we needed to see. The inflation is cooling, the markets are rallying, crypto showing incredible strength, combined with the bullish news like MicroStrategy Bitcoin purchases and the potential of crypto ETFs approvals. It's a good start to 2025. So, hey, again, please if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel and drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on tomorrow's market reaction to this pump of today? And will Bitcoin hold or stay around the 100,000? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.